going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your favorite rebel on two wheels, Donna and Ryder. Okay, boy, do I have a treat for you. So, what is this treat? Drum rolls, please. Yes, I got the Nolan helmet. So basically, I went to Nevis and they so kindly gifted me Nolan. I have never tried any other helmet but my AGV Pista, and I had the AGV K1 or K5. I can't remember. But it's always been AGV and the whole style of it. But ever since I had my Pista, I haven't tried anything else. I was like, no, we're not trying anything. However, this little beauty caught my eye. When I was in Nevis, I was like, hold on a minute. I've never seen this before. And it was like all carbon fiber. And I was like, this looks a lot closer to my Pista. So I just had to try it on for you guys. So I'm gonna be your guinea pig and let you know what I think about this helmet. So I got this one over here. Don't know if you can see it. It is the X-804 RS Ultra Carbon. And yeah, let's see what's in the box, guys. Made in Italy. So if you guys are wondering what size I am, I did try two sizes because I wanted to see which one was better for me. So I tried the S first just to see how the fit was. And it was actually all right. However, it was moving a little bit. And when we tried it, they were just trying to shake the helmet on my head. And I was like, right. They said it fits, but it's going to loosen up because obviously if you're still wearing it every day, it loosens up and so on, it starts giving. So they said the best bit, let's try an extra small, which I did. And it was the perfect fit. It was not moving whatsoever. So they said, this is perfect. So this comes with a visor. Obviously I changed mine already, but this is the clear visor over here. And it comes with the pin lock too. I don't know if you guys can see that. The lighting is a bit iffy here, guys, so do excuse me on that. I don't have my big ass lights. I got my balaclava to try this on with you guys. And then I have like bits and pieces, so if you want to change the visor, this has a whole system thing. It's not like my AGV. My AGV, you can just push no clips and it pops out. No, this one is much more secure. Okay. All right, guys. Wow. So nicely snug in here. This is the helmet. So I got the black and gold. They do come in various colors, and they do have the helmets in different colors, but carbon fiber as well, which I will be showing you on here. However, this is the one they had in stock for me, so yeah, this is the closest I could think of. So let us try the helmet. I want to show you guys how it looks on me because fit and look is everything here. So let's put my balaclava. I have the, I don't know how to say it, Risha silk balaclava. So you got the good paddings in here. Then you got the safetiness to pull this out. If you ever had a crash, this is the safety where they pull this out so it's easier for you to get your head out of the helmet. I hope that's correct. Okay. My gosh, my head got too big. Okay. So this is what the helmet looks like. Take it closer. It is a D-lock system as well. This is not a flipping. It doesn't have the flip, which I do enjoy having. However, it does get annoying when you just want the visor to stay up. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and get used to this. But oh, it's a bit stiff. But it's new, so yeah. It comes with this cool little feature here. So it's Nolan. Details. So it fits really, really nicely. I still have a lot of room here because of the shape. It has the sport race shape. So yeah, it comes with this dark visor. And that is that. This is the Nolan helmet. So I will be doing some test rides on this, so I can give you like the whole 411. And yeah, so stay tuned for that one.
Okay, let's go.